Hey everyone, if you create a new team space, you will immediately see that the tasks database links to the sprint and project databases. We can open the project database and see that there is a cross-reference to the task database. Same thing in the sprints database. There is a column that references items in the tasks database. In this video, I'm going to show you on my fingers why you need to use relation, how to create relations step by step, and how to convert values from another database using Rollup. Let's create a new database. Okay, let's call it books, and let's add some books here that we want to read. Also add the authors of these books in separate columns. Author and also the reading status. That's enough. You can use the table now. If you want to save any notes about the book, click Open and write any of your notes on the book page. But if you want to structure information about authors, it will be difficult for us to do in this table. The right solution would be to create a separate authors table with its own properties. Let's do just that. Let's add a new authors page. Create a new database on this page. The main column is author, and let's add authors from the previous table. Let's add a couple of columns that we could potentially be interested in. For example, year of birth and citizenship. And now we want to see here all the books of this author from another database. To do this, we create a new property of type relation, this, and select the book database. Also, to make the relationship two-way, enable this option to create a property on books showing backlinks to the current database. Then click Add Relation. Now go back to the book page and see that books is now linked to the authors database. If we click on the empty field, we can select the author from the drop-down list. Select it and select. Now we don't need an author column of type tag, we can hide it or delete it. And now when we click on the author cell, we can select the author and open the authors database item. Let's go to the author database. Again, since we have established a relation between author and book, we can immediately see a list of books by that author. But agree, if you have a large list of books, it is not very convenient to use such a table. It will have redundant information. You can of course use don't-wrap column to make the table more compact, but you can also use rollup. To do this, create a new property of rollup type and link it to the book table. Select books. Okay. At first glance it looks the same, but rollup, unlike relation, can be customized. Let's do it. For example, we want to see not books but status, and not just the status but statistics by author. To do this, select Edit Property, then select the status and click on Calculate. Then count per group, and we want to see how many books we have already read. We select Complete and see the statistics of books read relative to all books by this author. I'm sure you will find a lot more uses for Rollup in your databases, and that concludes my introduction to relations. Thank you very much for watching to the end. I wish you strong relationships with the people around you. Good luck and see you soon.